Hi, this is Reeka. I have around like 5 years of experience, UAE experience. I was working in two sales operation team. Then I had to have a break because of like maternity. Then again, I started to like join, and then I thought to upgrade my career. Then I was reading in a website about data science. Then I was searching for the institute. So most of the institute, like the study materials were not proper. Then I came to know about your institute, like the Ambeone Institute. Then I saw the study material, like it covers everything from the fundamentals to all the data science courses, then machine learning. So it covers each and everything of data science. So I thought, okay, well, let's try. And then I came to your institute. I spoke to Nita ma'am. She was really, she was very great. She's a good mentor. And the way she explained, I came to know more, like, the course, about the course. And during the training, it was very good. She was a good mentor. Even if we have any issue, we used to chat in WhatsApp. We don't have to wait for the next class. Within that 1 week period, if we give the if we ask a question in WhatsApp group, then she used to reply at that time itself, and then like doubts are clear before after coming before coming the next class. So in this way, like most of my most of the course, uh, it's clear. It's very clear for me the way she explains, and so I think this institute is providing the best knowledge about data science and preparing us for job related thing, because now I don't have a job. So I want to upgrade to data science and to look for a job in industry. So it's like they give the course uh, in industry prospect. It's
It's
not
not
like learning data science. You should use also you in business case. So that is the main important thing. So that's all what I can say.